In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create linked records in Airtable and use them in your no-code automations. If you're new to Airtable or just looking to enhance your automation skills, you're in the right place. Let's jump right in and start with the basics. First, open your web browser and navigate to Airtable's homepage. If you don't already have it bookmarked, you can easily find it by searching for Airtable in the search bar. Once you're there, look for the sign in button located at the upper right corner of the page. Click on it and it will take you to the login screen. Now is the time to enter your login details. Remember to keep your password secure. After you've logged in, press the continue button to proceed. This will direct you to your workspace where you have access to all your existing bases. If this is your first time here, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. It's quite user-friendly and intuitive. Now direct your attention to the table you want to work with. Click on the desired table to open it up, which will be the foundation for linking your records. With the table open, head to the top right corner where you'll see a plus sign. This sign is labeled Add Field. Clicking it will prompt you to enter a name for your new field. Make sure to choose a name that reflects the purpose or content of the linked records. It helps keep everything organized. Once you've named your field, move over and select the option to link to another record. This step is crucial as it sets the foundation for your records to be linked together, aiding seamless data management and automation workflows. After selecting this option, browse through the records and choose the one you wish to link to your current table. With your linked record selected, it's now time to click on Create Field. This action binds the link and lays the groundwork for data interactions between fields, which is vital for leveraging Airtable's automation capabilities. The final step involves choosing the desired option from the given choices. Doing so allows you to specify how the field behaves and interacts with other linked data. Lastly, click on Add Field to finalize your changes. With these steps completed, you've successfully created a linked record within Airtable. By doing so, you've opened up a whole new realm of possibilities for organizing and automating your data. As you continue to explore Airtable's features, remember that efficient data management is the key to unlocking the full potential of your no-code automations. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful content. Happy automating.